Namaste everyone. Welcome to Shruchi Kitchen. In this episode, I will show you how to prepare avlakki chow chow or otherwise called poha chivda. This is a deep fried and a crispy savory snack. You can make the snack effortlessly and no prep work is required. Let's look at the ingredients to make this recipe. Let's look at the ingredients. You need 4 cups of thick poha, 3 to 4 whole red chilies, 2 tablespoons of roughly chopped dried coconut, half a cup of peanuts, half a cup of dalia or roasted chana, quarter cup of thinly sliced garlic which gives a unique flavor, 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of asafoetida or otherwise called hing, and salt per taste. Additionally, as an optional ingredient, you can add dried fruits. It gives a nutty texture for your palate. Now let's get started. Heat oil in a heavy bottom pan. To check whether oil is hot, just add a piece of poha. If it starts to float on top immediately, which indicates that oil is hot. Now add poha into the oil in small batches and take them out immediately. As you can see, poha starts to puff up immediately as I drop them into the oil. Fry all the ingredients under medium-high setting. I will continue to fry poha in small batches. There are different types of poha like thick, medium, thin and nylon variety. I am using thick variety of poha because it absorbs less oil. Use an absorbent paper to drain excess oil. I finished frying poha. It is time to fry remaining ingredients. Next, fry dalia. Just fry them for 10 to 15 seconds and remove off from the oil. Next, add peanuts. Fry until peanuts turn golden brown. This will take about 30 seconds to a minute. Peanut gives a nutty flavor to satisfy your palate. So ensure that it is fried until it is golden brown. Next, add garlic. Garlic gives a unique flavor to this savory snack. If you don't like garlic or if you don't eat garlic, you can omit adding this ingredient. Fry garlic in medium setting until it turns golden brown and crispy. Next, add whole red chilli and dried coconut, or otherwise called copra. These two ingredients tend to burn quickly, so as soon as you add them to the oil, take them off immediately. Next, fry dried nuts and fruits. Just like peanuts, dried nuts gives a good nutty taste to satisfy your palate, and dried fruits gives a good chewy texture. Saute these ingredients until they turn golden brown. I finished frying all the ingredients. It is time to mix all the ingredients together. Add all the ingredients into a large mixing bowl. Next, add the spices, red chili powder, hing and salt. Use a ladle to mix everything together until all the spices are well combined and evenly coated around the poha mixture. Also, when the fried ingredients are still lukewarm, add the spices so that the flavors are absorbed well. Additionally, you can add curry leaves to boost flavor. I'm using dried curry leaves. You can also deep fry fresh curry leaves. Poha chivda is ready to be served. It is extremely crispy, flavorful and a savory snack. I hope you like this episode on Shruchi Kitchen. If you have not subscribed to my cooking channel, please do subscribe to Shruchi Kitchen. Also, like this video, share this video and do leave a feedback in comment section. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Stay tuned to Shruchi Kitchen for more recipe videos. Thank you.